In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get credit bureau report in Qatar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to access your account, and how to download or view your report with confidence. Your credit bureau report is an official snapshot of your credit history in Qatar. Lenders often use it to assess loan and credit card applications, so it pays to know what's on it and to keep your information secure while you access it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to cb.gov.qa, the official website for the Credit Bureau services in Qatar. Make sure you type the address correctly and look for the secure lock icon in the address bar. Using a private device and a trusted internet connection is a smart way to protect your financial data. If the site offers a language option, choose the one you're most comfortable with so the instructions and labels are clear. Next, either register or sign into your account. If you've used the service before, simply sign in with your existing credentials. If you're new, select the registration option and follow the on-screen prompts to create your profile. The platform may ask for identification and contact details to verify your identity and keep your account safe. Set a strong, unique password and be ready to complete any verification steps, such as entering a one-time code sent to your device. Take your time here. Accurate details help ensure your report matches your records and that future logins are smooth. Once you're in, look to the top of the page and click Get Your Credit Report. This is usually placed prominently in the main menu or header. After clicking, you may see brief guidelines about eligibility, timing, and how the report is compiled. Review any notices so you understand what data is included. You might also be asked to confirm your request, agree to the terms, or select the type of report that applies to you. In some cases, there may be a small fee or an additional verification step before the report is generated. When your report is ready, you can typically view it on screen and download a copy for your records. Read it carefully. Check that your personal details are correct, scan your active credit facilities, and review payment histories and recent inquiries. If something doesn't look right, make a note to contact the Credit Bureau's support through the official channels listed on the website. That's it. Go to cb.gov.qa, register or sign in, and click Get Your Credit Report at the top. Keep your credentials private, store your report securely, and review it periodically to stay financially prepared.